Fall is a great time to divide spring-blooming perennials like this Caradonna salvia. It had become crowded and overgrown. Start 6 to 8 weeks before the ground typically freezes. Here's how. You can reduce stress on the plants if you move in cool, cloudy weather and water thoroughly the day before you divide. Next, on a cool day, loosen a clump around the edge with a garden fork or spade and pull it. Here, we dug out our entire clump so we could start over. You might be just taking a chunk off the side of a plant, and you might decide to further pull apart or slice your clumps with a knife. Just make sure each division has at least 2 or 3 shoots and some healthy roots. Prepare the soil in the new planting bed with compost, dig a hole that's twice as wide as the root ball, and plant. Finally, water in your divisions well, and your garden will have a head start next spring. Get great projects, garden ideas, and expert plant tips in your mailbox 6 times a year. Subscribe to Garden Gate magazine.